All right, guys, late night Sofi video. Let's get into it. We're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do this week, and overall where I think this thing could go. We'll break down some levels I'm looking at. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, check out my second channel. It's called, well, I guess it's just my name, Stas Surfest, but the @ is Stas Talks Money. And we're breaking down personal finance topics. We're doing reaction videos here on car payments, how Americans can't stop spending money. You guys know all about that, right? The housing market, crippling debt, and the channel's actually growing, guys. We're getting some decent views on the channel, and we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I need your help. Guys. Go check it out. Linked in the description box, in the comments section as well. If you're interested, I don't want you subscribing if you're not interested, but if you're interested, guys, it's down below. Go check it out, the second channel. And now let's talk about SoFi. So, man, it's been a roller coaster ride, as the entire stock market has been this entire year, ever since Christmas Eve, pretty much. Right? The stock market's been selling off. Not every stock, obviously, but the indexes have been downhill. SoFi's been downhill. I mean, here on Friday, just a couple days ago, went down almost 3%. We hit $13.80 on the low after being in the mid-14s in the pre-market. And you guys can see on the 5-day, 5-minute, SoFi's been downtrending for days, right? And you'll see as you pull the layers back even more, it's actually been weeks, right? So we hit 1730 back in the middle of December, and since that point, what have we done? We've put clear lower highs in, right? So we hit 1730, then we put another one right here at about 17, then we hit here at about 1660, then we put all these little lower highs in, to the point where now we just put another one in at about 1440 on Friday. So it's like we're putting these lower highs into the support. And mind you, we're holding support the same level since the middle of December, pretty much, being about $13.50, $14, really $13.75 to $14. So we're holding that level. So what this is a descending triangle, right, guys? So if we fall through this point, this could slip even further. That's the reality. So where could we go? Well, pulling up this 4-hour chart, and if I zoom in a little bit, we could realistically go, and my alert is set at $13.75. Keep that in mind, and you guys might as well do that for yourselves, because look, the next gap to fill is down to about 13.10. That's kind of where we held, right around this level here early November, right? Yeah, right around here. So we held that early November. So 13.10 could easily be the next gap down to fill here. After that, realistically, we could go down to about 12.30, right? If you guys take a look here, 12.30 was the high from around, when was that? Early November. It looks like the 6th. So that's a big level here I'm looking at on this chart, at least. We can see another one's about 1140, 1150. So it could slip, man. The moral of the story here, guys, is we do have a descending triangle. It's a bearish pattern. We have a death cross. We do on the 4-hour chart here in the short term. And man, if we break 1375, it might be time, to get ready for some more downside, and maybe time to start buying. I'm not telling you guys what to do. For me, I'm kind of thinking out loud here, I've told you guys I'm in at $6.80. I haven't bought SoFi in a little bit here. It's been a while since it's ran up so much. But I kind of had my position built out. But at this point, I'm like, okay, it's ran up a lot. I'm not looking to sell right now. I'm not looking to load the boat and go crazy either necessarily, unless it gets back down under 10 somehow. But at this level, I'm only interested really in adding just a little bit to my position, right? Dollar cost average a little bit, but at the right price. So if it starts slipping down to these levels, man, 11, 12, that's where I'd consider, okay, maybe let me add a little bit. Maybe let me, bump my average cost maybe to the low sevens or something, right? I'd be willing to do it at that point, but we're not there yet. On the charts, I'm seeing potentially more downside. So for me, I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna sit on my hands this week, guys, on this stock. I'm not selling. I'm not gonna, do any option plays either. Really, I'm just gonna chill, sit on my hands, and if it does start slipping, if I notice, oh man, we're dumping, maybe CPI comes in, stock market gets shocked a little bit. Who knows, right? We have CPI Wednesday morning, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Who knows what's going to happen? There's uncertainty, right? Trump's coming in office. Who knows, right? So if we slip down here, that's where I'm going to strike. But for now, I'm waiting, sitting on my hands, and I'm curious. What are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. And do not forget to sign up to the email list. I'm actually sending out an email tomorrow morning, and it's free. I'm sending them out to now, I think, 2,200, 2,300 people. And we just break down quickly charts, on an email form, right? Pretty much written out. I write down a little write-up, top 3 stocks for the week. So if you guys are interested, it's linked down below. I'll put it in the comment. Actually, no, I won't put it in the comment section because that's where my second channel's at. Go subscribe. 1,000 subs, guys. Come on. We got to get it there. But yeah, check it out, guys. It's all free down below. Feel free. And yeah, that's a quick breakdown here and kind of what my thoughts are heading into this week. And overall, man, it's still up a lot. Obviously, the stock, from where it was just literally, 3.5 months ago. What is that? Yeah, 3.5 months ago. It's still up 85% from where it was early October. This thing is still up a lot. So yeah, even if it fell down to like $10, it would still be up a lot. So, this stock at this point, it's like playing with house money almost. But it depends, again, where you bought it, obviously. Some people bought it at $10. Others bought it at $5. Some people own it before it crashed, and now it's rebounding. So some people own it in the 20s, right? I don't know if you guys are watching this video, if you own it there. Maybe you do, and you took advantage of the dip and you bought the dip. If you did, you might be positive now. Hey, if you bought the dip up, and now we're at $14, we just hit 17. But yeah, overall, that's a quick rundown on SoFi. And I don't know. I think at some point we're going to get a rebound in the stock market pretty soon here. We do have a descending triangle on SPY. Keep your eyes on this as well this week, guys. If we do slip down a bit more to, let's say, 570 on this, on SPY, S&P 500, at that point, for sure, I'm thinking a rebound, a sharp rebound, and that could be a spot where we could play something like SPXL, a 3X ETF on SPY, the S&P 500, maybe something like TQQQ, maybe some calls on, I don't know, the, SPY, whatever it may be. But I'm going to sit and wait a little bit because we do have a descending triangle on QQQ as well, SPY and QQQ. And this could slip a little bit more, maybe QQQ down to 495. But yeah, at that point, I'm thinking rebound, and we could play those 3X leveraged ETFs, maybe some other ways to make money there. But yeah, we'll cover that here on the channel, guys. So make sure to subscribe. Get the channel here to 50,000 subscribers. Snag up your free stocks for Moomoo if you haven't done that already, guys. Use that link down below. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, if you ask me, that's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.